Watch how excited these guys get, or impatient I would say, when I'm bringing them food. Stop rubbing your feet on the grass, man. Fucking such an annoying horse. Eats his own stuff and then goes after Sage's food after that. All right, you ready? You ready? Gotta give yours here. Come on. You gotta come with me. Come with me. Come this way. Come on. You know we gotta go far, otherwise he's gonna just jump back and forth from your feed box to his. That's what he does. Is this far enough? I gave you extra today. It's a lot. How about you say thank you? Huh? Thank you? Ooh, are you saying thank you for real? Bye, dude. What? What are you doing over there? You're such a chunky dog. Ready? Huh? All right. Marco, you ready?